Today, in Daily English Resource of the Queen's Language, we'll be doing Precis Writing. A précis is the gist of a passage. It is about 1/3 of the original passage that has been given in the question. Précis is a French word which means specific. For writing a précis, you have to read the passage very carefully. Read the passage carefully and underline the important points. See if the word count of the passage is given, and if it is not given, then count the words, because the précis that you have to write down has to be 1/3 of the total word count. The number of words must be almost 1/3 of the word count of the passage. When you write your précis, see that you have a heading, a title for it. The heading can be created by using the words or idea from the passage. Write the précis in the past tense. Use past tense for writing your précis. Use indirect speech. Do not use question forms. If there's a question, convert it into a statement. And remember, the indirect speech has only statements. So, when you're writing your précis, see that you use indirect speech. And a précis is always written in the third person. Do not use I, we, me, my. Avoid copying the exact sentences and words from the passage. Do not use examples, comments, quotations that have been given by the author in the passage. Avoid words like in my opinion, according to me, I believe. Though you are writing the précis, but your opinion doesn't matter. What you have to rewrite is the opinion of the author, his original idea. Avoid proverbs, idioms and quotations and repetitions that have been given there. Do not give your own opinion. Express only the idea of the given passage. All the important information mentioned in the passage must be included, but compress the given information. Remove the superfluous words. Remove the adjectives. Your précis must have a logical order and be well connected. Do not copy the same sentences. Rewrite the sentence, the ideas in your own words. You can use some words from the passage which cannot be substituted. Change the form of the sentences. Avoid using contractions and abbreviations. Revise your précis. Once you have written it, a précis should have an appropriate heading. So see that you have not missed out the heading. The heading should be there. Then you can leave a line after the heading and then start your précis. And it should be 1/3 of the original passage. The précis should be precise. Précis, precise, short. But don't leave out any ideas. See that all important points are covered. It should be concise, clear and coherent. See that all the ideas are connected. Use proper linkers. Use therefore, because, so, then, when. The idea of the given passage must be in your own words. Avoid making spelling, grammar, punctuation mistakes. Do not give your own opinion. Use simple language in a coherent way. So once you write down the précis, see that you write it neatly and it should be 1/3 of the original passage. Don't miss the heading. Use indirect speech and your own words. Rewrite, reframe the sentences and see that it is simple, a coherent style that you use. For revising direct and indirect speech, visit TheQueen'sLanguage blog.blogspot.com. Thank you. Have a nice day.